Due to the climate change, periods of extreme heat in summer are becoming more frequent and more pronounced. For this reason, the provision of cooling in districts is increasingly important. As a result, time-resolved load profiles of cooling demands are often needed for the planning process. In this video, I show you how you can create load profiles for space cooling in nPro with just a few clicks. Hi and welcome to this nPro tutorial. I'm Marco, and in this video we create load profiles for space cooling with an hourly resolution for a building and a district. Let's have a look at how that works in nPro.
Now I'm on the landing page of the tool. On the left hand side I click on Load Profiles and Heat Network, then on New Project. Here we can enter a project name, we can choose a location from many different countries and many different cities. We can also upload an air temperature profile if we do not want to use the default profiles of the location. And then we click on Create New Project. On the bottom we can define a new building, enter a building name, the floor area, and the building type. I will select an office building, say that it's a new building, for example, and then say insert default values. If I click on insert default values, nPro goes into the database and chooses the specific cooling demand for an office building in Berlin that is new build. In this case, nPro estimates the demand to 45 kilowatt hours per square meter and year. We have the possibility to set peak load. For example, I can enter here 65 watt per square meter. We can also change the day profiles. Here we see the profiles, the day profiles for a work day, Saturday, and a Sunday and holiday. And as we can expect, the profile is very pronounced for the workday, so the most of the load occurs during the workday. I say Save Profiles, and then I click on Calculate Demand Profiles, and here we see the monthly overview of the profile. I click now on Show Hourly Profiles, and we have here the KPIs that we entered, and here we can also have a look at the profile in more detail. During a very hot period, we have this pretty peaky demand, and we see that during these very hot days, even during the night, there's a cooling load. Usually that's not the case. In more colder periods, we only have a cooling load during the day. On the bottom we have the heat map plot, where we have the hour of the day on the y-axis and all the days of the year on the x-axis, and there we can have a look when this load occurs and whether the profiles are as we expect them. I click on Close, then on Add Building to District. And in our list of buildings, we have now one building. That's our building number 1, the office building, with a heating demand, a cooling demand, electricity demand. We can delete it, we can modify the building, we can download the profiles only for this building as an Excel file, or we can show the building details again with all the demands, an overview, and also different possibilities to visualize the profiles. If we have multiple buildings in the district list, the building list, then we can click on Download Results. Here we can download a summary of the entire district as an Excel file, or we can download CSV files they contain then the load profiles for every building and for every demand type, and we can choose different resolutions here, hourly, daily, or monthly. And we can also choose different CSV formats.
If you have any questions or remarks about this video, feel free to leave a comment. If the video was helpful for you, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your interest and see you next time.